can see, but not like a PowerPoint, but we can see.
And I also have credit to here.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because of the
Lizel.
Lizel.
We are going to pray for our four old friends from 1984 to 1991, Baby Singh, Sunanda Das, and Sangamitra Chaudhary, and Anjum Singh. 20
Okay, okay.
We are going to start. Okay. Thank you.
আপনাকে লুকিয়ে রাখা ধুলায় আলোকের ঝর্ণা ধারায় ধুয়ে দাও বিজন আমার মাঝে জড়িয়ে আছে ঘুমের জালে আজ এই সকালে ধীরে ধীরে তার কপালে এই অরুণ আলোর সোনার কাঠি ধুয়ে দাও বিশ্ব হৃদয় হতে হাওয়া আলোয় পাগল প্রভাত সেই আমাকে হৃদয় আমার আলোকের ঝর্ণা ধারায় ধুয়ে দাও আপনাকে লুকিয়ে রাখা ধুলায় ঢাকা আলোকের ঝর্ণা ধারায় ধুয়ে দাও
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Sadhu, 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 sadhu.
কেউ কন্ডাক্ট করছে জিনিসটা
Friends, I'm taking this opportunity to go back to some of the works that I had created even while I was in Shantiniketan. I don't know how many of you have seen them. So I will start with show my works from Shantiniketan. And I will also show you, I mean, I have compiled works that I have put up in solo shows. So I've compiled around maybe 70 works. So it is a bit quite long, but I don't think it's long. So I hope you enjoy yourselves. So it's going to be more of a retrospective in a large way, an online retrospective.
Fantastic, Jito. Please carry on.
Yeah. Okay, now these are a few works from Shantiniketan. So my lithograph.
You can explain also if you want to some areas, those are very important area. You want to say something.
I basically wanted to show the journey actually from where I began and how I moved on and how my works have changed. So I think this will give you opportunity to understand the change.
This is 1989, Jito?
9 to 91.
Okay.
Okay, these are my pen and ink drawings that I had done. I did quite a lot, but I just picked up 2. And besides this, I had done some mixed media works while I was there also.
Mhm.
This is my final examination work.
1991.
Yeah. So now this is my work at first show soon after I came out from Shanti Niketan. I had a show at Art Heritage. So this was works that I did after I came back. And some few works that I put up also from my body of works from Shanti Niketan. They were highly influenced by surrealistic movement at that time. I don't know what happened to me. There is nothing wrong. Before I move on to the next show, I think I should basically also talk a little bit on my content, because I started working when I was in Shanti Niketan. I was doing a lot of work with dreams and Freud, works on Freud. And eventually I started doing inanimate and animate, using them symbolically in my work. And as I was using those, each one was being represented by the other. So there was a lot of influences also from Jung, Carl Gustav Jung, that started coming in. So eventually, I also started doing a lot of work with mythology. So there is a lot of myth that comes into the work also, which you will see. And there is a lot of sensual work that is there in the earlier works, which is not that it has disappeared, but it has continued to remain there. But most of the works are figurative, but animate and inanimate objects are representative symbolically.
So everybody will start asking, and we can do little adda as well after that.
Okay, okay.
After 30 years, I'm seeing your work, Jitu. Fantastic work. If you want to say something, Jitu, is work, you can please, because people can enjoy. If you want to say anything, you don't have to, if you want.
No, I think each work I don't normally say, but in general, yes, I have given the content. So it's
Sometime, those are work you appeal during that time. If you feel anything to say, please. I know we don't say thing in India, but we should start saying thing, because audience should be little bit awareness, because there should not be like in India we have to do painting like that, not like
this
that.
was a series. This was a series of prints, Shiva motif on behind in the works. So this was a full series of works that I did on that. So that's again mythologically related also. Mostly imperial size, so only a few of them are small.
Did you had any problem this series of work when you are doing?
I didn't have any problem. I had problems only when I showed them.
Basically, nudes in our India we have problem. That's why. Did you have any problem during exhibition time or during college time or during anywhere?
Yeah, I had problems continuously always. In fact, in Bombay, when I showed twice, people came in and asked me that I should remove the works from the gallery. But then there was no reason to remove them because there was nothing provocative. But there was this series also that I had put up in Art Heritage. Also, there I had a problem. Very few oils. These are one of the few oils that I did. Mostly I did acrylics. So, okay, this is a lithograph. Lithograph again. I think all printmakers there.
Actually, you're making lots of torso and sensation from 1989, I think, from Shantini Niketan. Do you want to say anything about? Do you want to share with us anything about? I know everybody have their inner view. If you want to share anything about that.
No, there's nothing to share about it. Also, the problem is the body is a beautiful body. So I just decided that I would relate a lot of things through the body. And whatever I had needed to symbolize, I use symbols.
But this series you start and you're still doing directly, indirectly. That was come from 1989 or before 1989?
Before 89, there was a slight inclination, not much. In my bachelor's degree, there was no big continuity. There was more of the work when I came back from Shantini Niketan. Mostly I did drawings because I was restricted to space. But I was also enjoying the intensity of the black. I mean, I found that black was very, very symbolic. It could speak a lot. So the use of ink and paper, and it's easier to work, faster to work. So I'm always working with ink. This was my show which I had in Bombay in 2007, and again the body became the predominant form, but then I started using masks more. The figure will slowly disappear from this stage onwards. Thanks.
What is the size, Jito, this one?
This is around 3 feet by 30 by 40.
30 by 40, okay. This is all of canvas, right?
Yeah, this is all on canvas. There is also ink, pen and ink in that also to most of the works, and sometimes brush work. Is around the next after this is around 4 feet by 8 feet.
Okay.
It's a diptych, so
This one.
yeah.
Yeah.
I took the advantage to shift.
Uh-huh.
No. These are mostly pen and ink now.
Uh-huh. And what is the size, Jeta?
These are imperial, some of them imperial size, some of them half imperial, quarter imperial. This is from the last show that I had in 2018. So it is a full show of drawings again. The screen slightly behind. Slightly tilt it so that I get a bigger frame. Push it back. Only the top.
One thing I want to ask you, Jeta, your work is, you want to say lots of things. Do you want to share anything?
the work I think is talking. I don't know. Now let's see what everybody has got to say.
But what I'm saying, what I'm asking, that's like if you want to share anything, because this is the problem in our country. We don't say much because I did say very beginning also, UK master degree 1 year. During 1 year, maybe 8 months or 9 months, they study properly. During that time, more than 16 to 17 seminar. They clear it out, how to talk, how to listen, how to ask. So if you want to share anything, then we can start asking Israel, you know. Just open the little bit gate from your side. Not forcefully if you want to. Basically, I'm very interested.
Yeah, it's good. I think the works will make you curious and want to know more about me more than the work maybe after that.
No, your work is excellent. Very sensitive work and lots of curiosity about myself. Because 1989 to this, like a long time you are doing actually, right?
Yeah, I hope that the journey was very clear through this.
I know, but still, 3 decades, you've changed lots of in our view, in our understanding through your life, Israel. You know, that way, if you want to share a little bit tip, then we can start. Because this is Adda, we will to ask you lots of friendly questions.
No, let's start the Adda, then we will get the questions.
Okay. Beautiful work. Do you use any model? You come from your own imagination?
No, from imagination.
Very
Model
good.
was before.
Very good. Very
The
good.
model is okay. This is the last shot.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful. And when you finish this work?
This work was 2018.
Okay.
Yeah. Now what you can see behind me also is 2018, but it's again 60 by 40.
This is a paperwork, right? The canvas.
Yeah, paperwork. Yeah.
300 GSM.
Yeah. This is 300 GSM.
What paper is that?
Canson.
Fantastic, Jito. So anybody want to ask any period of Jita's work? Really fantastic. Jita's work was really, I really love. Trina want to ask something, Jita?
Yeah, I wanted to ask Zito. A lot of your figures have no limbs. Okay, so can you tell us something about that? Either the limbs are modified into wings or there are no limbs at all. So what is the thought behind that?
The thought behind that was that when I started using the figure, I was using it without the head because I wanted to keep it universal. So I did not want it to connect to anybody or any person or anything, absolutely. So even though if it was related to something that was happening in society, it was not directly related. So eventually what happened is I removed the limbs and most of the figures removed the head. So right now it is absolutely, there is just a torso. If you see my recent works, I mean, a few of them have come inside in this lot.
Actually, I most love all those black and whites because I personally like black and white, and I try to work also. And I love pen and ink work basically because I also do lots of pen and ink drawings and.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So really, I love all those
black and whites. Yeah.
No, I love color as well, Jitas. Color was very minimized color.
Those works are also very nice, but
I like
personally, I like very much all those pen and ink, black and white pen and ink drawings or works.
I too enjoy doing the pen and inks more. In fact, I spend more time with the pen and ink than with color. But what happens is my colors are also very earth colors that I use mostly. So there is, in very few works, you'll find very bright, strong colors coming out. It was only in my recent works that I have strong colors. I think I've just put one or two in this presentation.
Paraganto asked something actually.
I actually want to say the last 4 works, those are really fantastic. I think those are much more recent works, but those are really mesmerizing, especially the last one. It's amazing.
Okay.
And these pen and inks, actually I have seen your pen and ink works since from long back, and your rendering of pens is very, I'm really fan of it. Excellent work. And I think in your work there are some, is there any biblical connections?
No, very less. I think very less. In very few works there is biblical connection. It is mostly to do with Greek mythology, actually.
Yeah, means something like that. There are some, especially the wings with the figures without torso and wings. Sometimes I'm getting some flavor of the mythological things, and
yeah, a lot of Greek mythology is there. There is also a little bit of Indian mythology, but at certain areas only.
Since when?
The Greek mythology has been there for a very long time. I think maybe the last 20 years, 25 years.
After pass out university, after 5-6 years.
Pass out, yeah. I think the works in Shanti Niketan spoke more of my life personally. There was little bit that came otherwise.
Oh, wow.
Sure.
Nice.
beautiful studio.
Nice.
Huge, big.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow. Zito, is it a small setup?
Yeah, it is.
Doesn't look that small. Yeah, nice.
Zito, do you have a press?
Yeah, I have a press.
I think in the other room I can see a press. It is a problem with the printmakers. Somehow I saw the
Oh, wow.
a portion of the press, and a press is quite big.
Yeah, it's a full imperial full press.
Size, yeah, exactly.
Orgo, what are you about to say?
जितो आपका काम में शायद इतना काम पहले बार ही देखा, रियली। स्टूडेंट लाइफ में जो किया था मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत याद था, इतना ये नहीं था, लेकिन इतना अच्छा लगा क्या हुआ था। लास्ट जो आखिरी वाला जो काम था वो बहुत ही अच्छा, और पेन एंड इंक का काम एक्सलेंट हुआ।
थैंक यू।
बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा है।
अरे सब बढ़िया काम है, बहुत बढ़िया काम है।
Zito, I don't have any question myself because I'm really enjoy your journey and look like I know very well to you from your work. So really fantastic. I don't have any word to say.
Thank you.
Zito's work, color and texture, I love very much.
All the printmakers, I think, love to use texture, so
Yeah.
I can see Rina smiling.
That's true.
I am also smiling.
Special any work, one or two you want to show physically, if you feel like.
If you want to see another one that I think I missed out in the classes,
Please.
I don't know how much.
You can see, but not like a PowerPoint, but we can see. This in canvas, right?
Yeah, this is on canvas.
It's quite big sizes.
And I also have credit to here.
Thank you. Because of the Lizel. We've seen the PowerPoint properly, isn't it?
Okay.
বেদের মেয়ে জোৎস্না আমায় কথা দিয়েছে, আশি আশি করে কন্যা কি ফাঁকি দিয়েছে। চলো জি, বাই all. শান্তিনিকেতনে সবাই চলে এসো।
Bobby, you know how to cook. I know that. Your food is yummy.
থ্যাংক ইউ
Absolutely. আমরা খুব খেয়েছি তোদের বাড়িতে।
Darun, yummy food.
সবাই আবার চলে এসো।
Today is 6 June 2021. Every second Sunday we do Adda with our artwork. Next is Parag Roy.
Goodbye.
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 Okay.